Under a tree, near a sea, I was feeling magic, far away from world, in a dark night, on a beach side. Wind was blowing, and my face was glowing with moonlight. No one was there to raise voice. Peace on a beach, there was no noise. Apart from my phone and modern technology, I was away from violent psychology. Alone with people, but I was connecting with myself, and my mind became stable. Closed my eyes, and my energy started to rise. No arguments on my shape and size. But as suddenly what happened? When I opened my eyes, I was sitting on my study table. In front was maths exercise. It was dream. It taught me that I am queen. You are alone and be ready to solve your problem. But keep trust that solution will come. What was magic? The world is without public. Under a tree near a sea.